Traveling in Metro Manila? Grab is the easiest and safest way to book a ride. Let's get you started with a step-by-step guide to registering your account. First, download the Grab app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Grab and tap Install. Once installed, open the app. If a language selection appears, choose your preferred language. To create an account, enter your mobile number. It's best to use a Philippine SIM for smooth verification. Check your SMS for the verification code and enter it here. Take note that if the code is sent via Viber, please wait for 10 seconds or until the send by SMS option appears. Once it does, tap on it and wait for the OTP to be sent. Now, enter your full name and email address. You can also upload a profile picture for easy driver identification. For cashless transactions, link your credit card, PayPal, or GCash. Or simply select cash if you prefer to pay in cash. For cards, you can enter the information manually or just scan it. Congratulations! Your Grab account is now ready. Just enter your destination and get a ride in minutes. Now you're ready to explore the Philippines with Grab. Safe travels!